Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my home security and surveillance videos. Longtime viewers of mine might have seen my Hiseeu videos that I started doing 4 years ago, and are wondering, how is it doing now? And so today, I want to give you a bit of an update on how our Hiseeu system has been running. So just for a bit of timeline, back in 2019, we first bought our Hiseeu kit that came with the NVR and 4 cameras, which are these 4 right here. And one of them was actually defective, and so we replaced it by contacting support, and they replaced it free of charge. Then we bought 2 more cameras. One of them we put in the garage, and it's actually not working anymore, which I'll talk about in a bit. And finally, the 6th one that we used to have facing the backyard, but we decided to replace it with a PTZ camera. We also have 3 PTZ cameras installed. And so right now we're facing the problem of, should we replace the camera that was in the garage with this extra spare camera? And the problem with that is that there's just multiple walls separating us from the garage. So if we want to connect it, we would have to fumble around with using the Wi-Fi receiver, or sorry, the Wi-Fi repeater, which you have to remove it and you have to set it up again, you have to match it. And it's a lot of hassle. And if you're interested in how we actually do that, I do have a video on it, so go check it out. And so we have some other alternatives, which is, one, we can get a comparable PTZ camera that has a stronger signal, so it won't run out of connection like the one that was in the garage. Or we can hardwire it, directly connect an Ethernet cable and loop it all the way here, so we can bypass the whole walls. And so we could take one of these methods. We could hardwire the camera, but the system is really finicky. It's really troublesome to troubleshoot. And at this point, it's like 4 years old, which is funny because I still get comments on my YouTube videos asking me for help with this specific NVR. But if you have this system, which you probably do if you're watching this video, it's been 4 years. It might be time to upgrade to a more modern unit that has, stronger connection, better features like optical zoom and facial recognition, and that's actually what we did. But I'm going to talk more at length about our new system in the next video. We're still using this old system because, let's be honest, our system so far has worked pretty good. It was pretty reliable. The only issue is that it's really hard to set up. And like I mentioned before, people are still asking me for help with troubleshooting this. It just tells you how difficult it is to deal with this old technology. It's kind of weird saying that because, people buy new iPhones like every 2 to 3 years. This has lasted us 4 years and it's still going strong. But that's the update I want to give you. So far, over the 4 years, we haven't had any big problems with it. Remember one time we even used it to help the police, like we gave them footage to help with a stolen car. And so we're pretty happy with our experience so far. And so as a bit of preview for the next video, I want to show you what our new system looks like. Voila. Look how cool that is. And so even though we have this new system in place, we decided to keep the old one just because of how reliable it was. And so why throw out something when it's still good, And so if you're interested in how we hooked up both of our systems and used them at the same time, I'm also doing another video on that, so go check that out. But that's all for now for this video. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like or comment, subscribe, and like our other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on Hiseeu surveillance cameras and the NVR. Especially keep a lookout for our video on the new system and also how we switch between the old one and the new one. And I'll see you there. For now, I'm Aiman and signing out. Peace.